Updating your legal name on Improvado is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Improvado account by entering your username and password. Make sure you are using the correct credentials to avoid any login issues. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once loaded in, locate the account settings option, usually found in the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to access your account details. Step 3. Find the name change option. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter your new legal name. Input your new legal name in the designated fields. Ensure that the spelling and format are correct to avoid any delays in processing your request. Step 5. Submit your requests. After entering your new name, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, submit your request. You may receive a confirmation email regarding the update. Make sure to check your email for any follow-up instructions or confirmations. Following these steps will help you update your legal name on Improvado quickly.